This message is for aliens that was sent in 1974. It sounds like a random noise, but it's not. When we hear and visualize this 2 minute and 47-second long message, we find an interesting pattern, the pattern of 0 and 1. If we listen carefully, we will find two kinds of noise, one with higher pitch, another with lower pitch. This high and low pitch represents 0 and 1. This interesting pattern repeats itself 1679 times. It's an interesting number. It has only two factors, 23 and 73. If this message is found by any life in the cosmos, and if they are intelligent enough to make a grid of 23 by 73, when they'll fill the grid with the 0 and 1 found in the message, they'll see this picture. It tells about us and our solar system. If you look at this carefully, you will find some interesting shapes and figures. The first line represents our counting, 1 to 10. The second line represents atomic number of elements like hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and phosphorus. All these 5 elements make up our DNA. The third line represents chemical formulas of nucleotides. This represents double helical structure of our DNA. This figure shows the average height of a human being and how do we look. This represents population of Earth that was around 4 billion at the time of launching this message. This line represents solar system. This big structure is our sun and these are 9 planets. Pluto was a planet at that time. And finally, this last line represents the Arecibo telescope from which the message was transmitted in the space.